Hello. In Asia, herbal formulas for traumatic injuries are known as HIT medicine. These formulas were developed for martial arts schools and the military. HIT medicine dates back 2,500 years. Trauma ease is traditionally used to support the body's natural inflammatory response function as it relates to periodic challenges like strenuous exercise. Trauma ease is also used to maintain healthy muscles, tendons, ligaments, bones, and vascular integrity. Unlike Western medicine that emphasizes icing and immobilization after an injury, the Asian approach is to improve circulation and promote the flow of qi into the injured area. Qi is the term used to describe life energy. Trauma ease is traditionally used before and after exercising or playing sports, to support the body's natural inflammatory response function as it relates to periodic challenges like strenuous work, after overexertion, to relieve occasional exercise-related mild aches and pains, and to maintain and support healthy joints. Trauma ease is a blend of 12 herbs. Himalayan ginseng, traditionally used as an adaptogenic tonic. Dragon blood resin, used to support the body's natural inflammatory response function as it relates to periodic challenges like strenuous exercise. Angel root, traditionally used to promote healthy blood circulation and to help balance female hormones. Carthamus flower, used to support healthy muscles, bones, and joints. Carthamus flower has been used in the Middle East and Asia since ancient times. Mirth resin, used to support the body's natural inflammatory response function and provide antioxidant activity to help protect cells and other tissues. Indian frankincense, long used in traditional African, Middle Eastern, and Asian cultures to promote healthy blood circulation. Thirsty root, used to maintain healthy tendons, ligaments, and bones. Drinaria root, used to support healthy bone and joint function. Persian silk tree bark, traditionally used to support mental clarity and cognitive function. Aromatic curcumin root, used to support and encourage healthy blood circulation. Wild parsnip, traditionally used to support healthy digestion, healthy joints, promote sleep, and normal reproductive function in men and women. Grains of paradise, traditionally used to calm the nerves and restore balance in temporary mood swings. Our Trauma Ease formula is manufactured in the U.S. Our facility is licensed by the state of Oregon, FDA registered, and certified as following the FDA's good manufacturing practices. Trauma Ease is in liquid form because liquid herbal formulas tend to have better bioavailability than tablets or capsules. Liquid herbs are sometimes called tinctures. Trauma Ease is usually taken straight, but can be mixed with a couple of ounces of water or juice. It is recommended to take 3 dropperfuls of Trauma Ease 3 times a day after an injury and to continue till the injury is healed. And for those who are physically active, it's recommended to take 2 dropperfuls once or twice a day for maintenance. A dropperful is the amount of fluid that fills the tube when the bulb is squeezed and released. It will fill the tube about 1/3 of the way. I've put a link below for more information about Trauma Ease. Thank you for listening. Till next time, this is Dr. Barrett signing off, yours for health naturally.